Hello makers! Let's make some Minecraft dangly heart earrings. For our materials, we have some heart vinyl stickers cut out with a Cricut, earring hardware, a black marker, gloves, jewelry tools, tweezers, a silicone thing, a UV light, a silicone pointer and a cup, and a good quality UV resin. Same as the last video, use the black marker to go around all of the white edges of the stickers. Then put them on a silicone thing facing down and put a small bit of resin where the ring connectors will go. Then add the ring connectors so they are in the perfect spot and add some UV. And then cover the back of the sticker with UV resin. Turn them over and tape the stud one to the silicone thing. This makes it a lot easier to get the edges because it's slightly up in the air. I wish I had taped studs to the back of these other pieces because it would have made the next part a lot easier. Getting the edges was very important because the goal is to encase the sticker within the resin. Instead, I just went around one side at a time with resin and then added UV while holding it. It took more effort than was needed. I'm still a beginner with jewelry, but I opened the metal rings to attach the other metal rings and then closed them the best I could. I think next time I will print a mirror image of the sticker and place it on the back because sometimes these little dangly earrings flip over. When I was done with the first earring, I repeated the process for the second earring. I think these turned out so cute. I love the little dangly earring and I cannot wait to wear them. That's it for the Minecraft dangly heart earring. Let me know if you have any suggestions or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.